Hi guys, this is the iPhone 15 Pro and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to add the similar widgets to your home screen, you should first hold home screen with your finger for a while, and now you'll see here on the left upper corner this plus icon. Just tap on it. Here we got the widgets search. You could here enter something to find the application, or also you could use one from these available widgets here, or just to find by scrolling the application which widget you want to add. For example, let's check the calendar application. Here we could see that we got 6 different types of the widgets. Let's just select one from the widgets here and just tap to add widget button. Now we could see that the widget added automatically to our home screen. If you want to move widget on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and just drag it by this way. We could also create the new screen. Let's just do this. We could create the new screen with a widget, just hold it and drag it to the new screen. If you wanna edit the widget, just to change it, just hold it for a while and tap to edit widget. You could also mirror the calendar app and to hide all the events here. We can also remove the widget from our home screen. To do that, you should just hold it for a while and tap to remove widget, or just to hold home screen for a while with your finger and tap to this minus on the left upper corner and tap to remove button. Then just tap to done on the right upper corner to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.